also let you create notes and attach them to courses, folders, and activities. After creating notes, you can return and review them at any time. These notes are intended for personal use only, and only you can access them. To access the notes, click on your main menu and click Notes. You can see notes that I have created for my Pathways to Success course. I can also search for various keywords, and it will find the notes attached. I can also use hashtags in my notes to make it easily searchable. If I want to add a note, I will go into a course, and up at the top right I have the notes icon. I can add a note to the course level, as you see here, and I'm going to give a hashtag cool. This again is at the course level. I'm now going to go into a folder, and I'm going to also give this a hashtag cool folder. I'm then going to go into the activity or any activity, and I'm going to give it also a hashtag. Now, at any point, I can close out of my activities, go to my main menu, and choose Notes. This is going to display all my notes. Using hashtags makes it easy to search. You can see here that I have 3 notes with the hashtag cool. You could use this to connect your curriculum in various ways and make your notes fun and easy to search.